Hi everyone, if you are an investor of Stashaway, are you feeling regretful that you should have invested in Syfe because they are performing so much better? Even one of my friends recommended me Syfe and avoid Stashaway because Syfe is giving better returns, which I totally agree with based on my portfolios with both platforms. Today, we look into Syfe and Stashaway portfolios with me, James Z. Stashaway might be a phoenix waiting for a chance to rise from the ashes. Performance today doesn't project future performance. Sharing with you a breakdown of Stashaway's 80% equity versus Syfe 100% equity portfolio. From the table, you can infer that number 1, Stashaway holds 36% of US equities while Syfe holds 75%. This explains why Syfe performance have been exceptionally well because US markets are on the bull run. Just take a look at S&P 500. It's been going up. Stashaway didn't catch the trend because they only possessed 3 US ETFs. Number 2, Stashaway is more diversified. Bonds and commodities are there to cushion you, but this season, it is working against you. Both iShares Bond ETF and SDPR Gold Trust are in the red, so this brought their performance down even further. Number 3, the final nail in the coffin for Stashaway is CraneShares CSI China Internet ETF, a whopping drop of 29.58% due to new Chinese regulations. Syfe holds the same ETF but with only 3.59% weightage versus Stashaway's at 19.58%. With all of these factors in play, this is why Stashaway doesn't look appealing to potential investors. If you want a better look at the comparison table, the Google Drive link is in the description box below. Sharing is caring, guys. But like I said, I believe Stashaway is a phoenix waiting for a time to rise from the ashes. Right now, Chinese stocks are at all-time low due to China government enforcing regulations. And this is not likely to change anytime soon as they are sort of revamping the whole country. Even celebrities are targeted as they want full control of their citizens, such as how long they play PC games, who they idolized, when to poop, and censor Papa Pig and Winnie the Pooh images. Just like a possessive partner who want to control every bit of you. All investors are afraid of government intervention because it potentially affects how one company operates and, most importantly, profits. This is why investors sell their Chinese stocks due to market uncertainty as to what will happen next. As government pressures mount up, more Chinese listed company stocks fell like a freeway. We started off with Tencent, Alibaba, then TAL Education, now they are turning to idols. The list continues. But also thanks to trading platforms like Robinhood, Momo and Tire Brokers, retail investors always buy the deep and whole. These create a stronger support line because of buying and holding. If you invested in Stashaway, what are the scenarios they will bounce back? Imagination. US inflation reached an all-time high and investors started to dump their stocks. This will cause adverse effects on US-focused portfolio, like Syfe. Meanwhile, China is done with its regulations and investors worldwide started to pour funds into Chinese companies. Although this will take quite some time because majority are staying away from Chinese stocks, at least for the time being. Should this happen, Chinese stocks will see an uptrend and Stashaway will perform better than Syfe. The main idea is both Robo-Advisors approach differently and they will have their prime time. What goes around comes around. Just that now isn't the time for Stashaway to perform well. But of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm just putting in my 3 cents worth of opinion. Will you invest in Stashaway or Syfe? Leave your comments below. I hope my insights provided a different point of view. You can use my referral link in the description box below if you are interested. Subscribe and click the like button, as I will be providing a monthly Robo-Advisors update soon because they are tested when the market is going downward trend. Also remember, if you are making unrealized loss, you are not alone. See you next time guys. Jimsy signing off.